All right, y'all, I said I wasn't gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna run this off-road, on-road real quick on 6S. Now that I got my wheelie bar on here. If you guys haven't seen my Kronos version 2 video, this thing will do a running backflip. I'm not gonna do it in this one, but I will in another video. It's crazy. It's got that much power. Kind of losing light too, but can you guys see it? I know you can hear it. All right, let's try to do try to ride some wheelies. There we go. Man, I probably can ride a wheelie all the way down. Let's see if I can get this right. Ah, no! Yeah, I knew it was gonna happen. Have to start playing that Lonely Man music. Doom, doo, doom, doom. Oh, it's not that bad. I might be able to cover that up. Anyway, since we already got on our top once, we're gonna try to ride this wheelie. Let's see if I can get it right. We're gonna get this before this video ends, before the night. There we go. How far will you go? All the way down. There we go. That's that wheelie bar scraping on the ground, is what you guys hear. All right, we're losing light. I'm gonna do this one more time. So because the tires balloon, I know some people have mentioned that, it helps it to actually pop those wheelies more. And I probably either dumped or overheated, one or the other. This is the same battery I was kind of running in my fire team a little bit earlier. Oh, we're good. So anyway, I'm losing light. I'm gonna, if you guys know me one more time, I'm gonna end up flipping this and really skidding it down the street. There we go. All right, guys, that's a video of this. I had to get this out and at least run this real quick. I did flip it, but I actually painted it on the outside and on the inside. So I can just probably go over that just a little bit. Little air bubbles there and a little scraping right there, but I can probably fix it up. Nothing that a little paint won't fix up on the outside of that. But anyway, guys, put your comments down below. I'm gonna sit out here and enjoy this a little bit more. Thanks for watching.